Which of the following is usually a special one-time operation that must be completed over a limited time period? A. Batch. B. Patch. C. Project. D. Word. The correct answer is project. A device or system not directly connected to the CPU is A. Online. B. Keyboard. C. Memory. D. Offline. The correct answer is offline. The microprocessor of a computer cannot operate on any information if that information is not in its A. Secondary storage. B. Main storage. C. ALU. D. Logic unit. The correct answer is main storage. A device which converts human readable data into machine language is A. Card reader. B. Card punch. C. Punched paper tape. D. Character reader. The correct answer is character reader. What digits are representative of all binary numbers? A. 0. B. 1. C. Both A and B. D. 3. The correct answer is both A and B. What is the name of the chip which has more than one processor on it? A. Parallel chip. B. Multiprocessor chip. C. Transputer. D. Parallel processor. The correct answer is transputer. Which of the following is a set of general-purpose internal registers? A. Stack. B. Scratch pad. C. Accumulator. D. Status register. The correct answer is scratch pad. A family of polynomial block codes designed to correct burst errors is known as A. Barcodes. B. Gray codes. C. Fire codes. D. Mnemonics codes. The correct answer is fire codes. To produce high-quality graphics hardcopy in color, you would want to use an A. RGB monitor. B. Plotter. C. Inkjet printer. D. Laser printer. The correct answer is plotter. The computer code for the interchange of information between terminals is A. ASCII. B. BCD. C. EBCDIC. D. All of the above. The correct answer is ASCII. Which of the following is required when more than one person uses a central computer at the same time? A. Terminal. B. Light pen. C. Digitizer. D. Mouse. The correct answer is terminal. Which is not necessary when using barcodes in supermarkets? A. Point of sale POS terminal. B. Check digit on the barcode. C. Price on the shelf. D. Price on the goods. The correct answer is price on the shelf. The language that the computer can understand and execute is called A. Machine language. B. Application software. C. System program. D. All of the above. The correct answer is machine language. Design qualifications do not normally include A. Output requirements. B. Input and storage requirements. C. Control provisions. D. Blueprints. The correct answer is blueprints. Which of the following is form of semiconductor memory in which it is possible to change the contents of selected memory locations by applying suitable electrical signals? A. CAM. B. ROM. C. AROM. D. Anarchus. The correct answer is AROM. The basic components of a modern digital computer are A. Input device. B. Output device. C. Central processor. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. What does that acronym AGA stand for? A. Enhanced graphics array. B. Extended graphics array. C. Monochrome graphics adapter. D. Enhanced graphics adapter. The correct answer is enhanced graphics array. A beam of light used to record and retrieve data on optical discs is known as A. Polarized light. B. Unpolarized concentric light. C. Laser. D. Colored light. The correct answer is laser. Punched card equipment was first introduced in Britain in 1904 by a small company. What was the name of that company? A. The Tabulator Limited. B. Tabulator Machine Company. C. International Business Machines IBM. D. Accounting Tabulating Corporation of Great Britain. The correct answer is the Tabulator Ltd. The computer translates the condition of each switch to a number. What number is represented by the on state? A. 7. B. 3.75. C. 1. D. 0. The correct answer is 1. A disk with usable recording surfaces on each side is known as A. Hard disk. B. Single-sided disk. C. Double-sided disk. D. High capacity. The correct answer is double-sided disk. What is a portion of memory that serves as a temporary repository for data as it waits for a given action? A. Memory pool. B. Cache. C. Processor. D. Processor pool. The correct answer is cache. In serial asynchronous transmissions, the bit is used to signal the end of the character within the data frame. A. Start. B. Stop. C. Parity. D. Data. The correct answer is stop. Which is the acronym for Algol extended for design? A. FX. B. ADP. C. AED. D. CAI. The correct answer is AED. Which of the following are often used to ensure that data has been accurately input to the computer? A. Digitizers. B. Light pens. C. Keyboards. D. Input controls. The correct answer is input controls. An input device that converts data punched into paper lape into a binary format is A. Page reader. B. Paper tape punch. C. Paper tape reader. D. Card punch. The correct answer is paper tape reader. A computer will function only if it A. has a control unit. B. is given input data. C. has a program in its memory. D. has software package. The correct answer is has a program in its memory. A memory in which the information is stored last is on top is retrieved first is known as A. PROM. B. Buffer. C. Stack. D. RAM. The correct answer is stack. Regarding a which statement is more correct? A. It is an output device. B. It is an input device. C. It is a peripheral device. D. It is a hardware item. The correct answer is it is a peripheral device. Plotter accuracy is measured in terms of repeatability and A. buffer size. B. resolution. C. vertical dimension. D. intelligence. The correct answer is resolution. The minimum time delay required between the initiation of two successive memory operations is known as A. memory cycle time. B. memory access time. C. transmission time. D. waiting time. The correct answer is memory cycle time. Which of the following terms describe 1024 kilobytes? A. kilobyte. B. megabyte. C. gigabyte. D. terabyte. The correct answer is megabyte. The flow and timing to data to and from the microprocessor is regulated by A. control pins. B. address pins. C. data pins. D. power pins. The correct answer is control pins. The total number of messages handled by a computerized telephone system on a daily basis is an example of A. frequency. B. Updating. C. Volume. D. All of the above. The correct answer is volume. An internal storage consisting of arrays of small rings of magnetic material called ferrite is A. Magnetic tape. B. Magnetic core. C. Magnetic disk. D. Optical mark reader. The correct answer is magnetic core. In the language of the computer profession, 1000 position of main storage is represented with the letter A K, B L, C M, D C. The correct answer is K. Which of the following processor is software that accepts user ideas, manipulates and reorganizes them in user-specified ways and then produces a refined model of those thoughts? A. Distribute. B. Outline. C. Multi. D. Online. The correct answer is outline. The word computer usually refers to the central processor unit plus A. External memory. B. Internal memory. C. Input devices. D. Output devices. The correct answer is internal memory. The control of the jobs running within a system is A. Job monitoring. B. Job stream. C. Job min. D. Job step. The correct answer is job monitoring. Communication using a modulated carrier to apply a data signal to a transmission medium in analog form is A. Local area network. B. Modem. C. Baseband networking. D. Broadband networking. The correct answer is broadband networking. It stands for A. Intelligent teaching systems. B. International tutoring systems. C. Intelligent tutoring systems. D. All of the above. The correct answer is intelligent tutoring systems. The most popular language for interactive use is A. COBOL. B. Pascal. C. BASIC. D. Fortran. The correct answer is BASIC. An error in computer data is called A. Chip. B. Bug. C. CPU. D. Storage devices. The correct answer is bug. Any piece of equipment forming an interface to a data communication system is A. DTE. B. DTA. C. CSA. D. DCA. The correct answer is DTA. In which of the following each data item contains at most 2 points? A. List structure. B. Lisp. C. List sorting. D. List head. The correct answer is Lisp. An input-output device at which data enters or leaves a computer system is A. Keyboard. B. Terminal. C. Printer. D. Plotter. The correct answer is terminal. The fastest type of memory from the following list is A. Tape. B. Semiconductor memory. C. Disk. D. Bubble memory. The correct answer is semiconductor memory. Which of the following is a secondary memory device? A. Keyboard. B. Disk. C. ALU. D. All of the above. The correct answer is disk. The register which keeps track of the execution of a program and which contains the memory address of the instruction currently being executed is known as A. Index register. B. Memory address register. C. Program counter. D. Instruction register. The correct answer is program counter.